Hello and welcome. Today we will see how to create a project in Android Studio. Creating a project in Android Studio is as easy as in other IDEs, but you should know a few things. Let's open Android Studio and see how the project is created. Select Start a new Android Studio project option. Project options are divided in 5 different categories. Phone and tablet, Wear OS, TV, automotive, and Android things. Several options are available under every category. We will be creating our project for the phone and tablet. We will be creating our project with an empty activity, but if you want to create your project with any other category, you can select it and then press next. In this window, we will dealing with the project details. First, we will mention the name of the project. I will name it My First Application. This project name is displayed under the app icon after the app gets installed on the phone. Next option is package name. Package name is like a reverse domain name. If you have a website, you can mention it here. If you don't have, you can mention anything here. But you should keep two things in your mind. First, you cannot install an app on your phone if the phone already has an app with the same package name. Second, you cannot upload an app on Google Play Store if there is an other app with the same name. This package name is like an application ID as it is unique. Next option is project location. This location is fine for me. But if you want to change your project location, you can click on the folder icon and select the location where you want to save your project. Two options are available in the language combo, Java and Kotlin. We will select Kotlin here. Now we have to select the SDK version. The lowest version of SDK will allow your app to run on maximum number of phones, and this number decreases on increasing the SDK version. You will have a better understanding of this after viewing the graphical table. To open this table, press Help Me Choose button. Here you can see that if you create a project for Android 4.1, then your app will be available to 99.8% of the users. Same is mentioned for rest of the versions. On the right side, you can see the new features of the Android version you have selected. So, higher the version, more the features, but less the audience. You can select any of your desired version. I am choosing Android 7.0. After selecting your desired version, press Finish to create the project. It will take some time to create the project. In the next video, we will see the structure of the project, files that are created, and the usage of those files.